Hey, what's up guys? So I'm out here in Florida, the laser testing event, and again, as I mentioned before, we got a bunch of fun guns, and they've got a Stalker XLR on hand as well. If you guys remember the Stalker RLR video that I did recently, this is actually a really similar gun. Now, if you look on Stalker's website, they sell the XS and the XLR. Similar form factor, similar design. They're designed to be kind of like the lightweight, kind of more compact gun. It weighs around 2.3 pounds or so with the battery. Now, as far as the difference between the two guns, it has to do with the maximum range, as far as how far down the road you can get a shot. With the XS, it can actually pick up vehicles as far as 2,000 feet away. With the XLR, it's like the extreme long range version. It can do actually shots up to 4,000 feet away for the front of the cars coming towards you, and then 9,500 feet away with vehicles moving away, hence the LR, long range version. That's actually the same as the RLR. That's kind of the rugged long range version. Very similar to the XLR, but kind of more rugged than this one is. Then as far as some of the features, it's got anti-jamming capability. If you take a look at the menu, you'll see an option for the jamming rejection functionality. It works, but laser jammers can still defeat that, so it's not too big of a deal. It also has an audio Doppler, something I really like with the Stalker gun. So just like with the radar guns, you can hear as cars are going faster and slower, not just actually looking at the speeds in the heads-up display. A really nice extra feature. It's also got some other stuff that I've mentioned in the RLR video, things like the see-through mode. So if you're trying to shoot and there's like trees or bushes in the way, it can help you avoid that kind of interference on the gun. It's got a following too close mode. So if there's two cars that are kind of tailgating, it'll allow you to like shoot both cars and see how far apart the cars are. So there's some cool extra features here. As far as like acquisition, it's pretty good. There's people here actually even shooting like birds and able to get readings off of birds, believe it or not. But with that said, let's go ahead and point at a couple cars. We'll put a camera up here to the viewfinder. It's a little tougher to do when you're holding a phone to the screen like this, but let's take a look and see what it's like with the gun in action.